So let's start our recipe with beautiful thought. Now I call teachers for beautiful thought. Good morning, all of you. My name is Teja. I am studying 6th class. I tell you today's beautiful thought. The path from a dreams to success that you have vision to find it courage on to it. Thank you. Thank you, teachers. Now I call Panika for importance of the day.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Parijat from Dimre. I am 6th standard. I tell today's importance of the day. Today is National Toast Day, Playing Saturday, and third Marathi Bhasha Divas. Thank you.
Thank you, Panika. Now I call Panika for news.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Anushka Prakash Patil. I am studying 6th class. I am taking news. First, Congress leader meet President the meeting discuss key national issue. Second, New Delhi Metro line open the new line connect key city area. Third, India winner cricket match. The team celebrate their victory. Thank you.
Thank you, Anushka. Now I call Sitan for book review.
Good morning, all of you. I am Siddha Subhash India and today I take a book review. This book name is Jawaharlal Nehru. This book price is 25 rupees. This book is published by Amol Prakashan. So let's begin our story. On 14th November 1889, Jawaharlal Nehru was born. His mother was Swarup Rani and his father's name was Motilal Ji. When Jawaharlal reached England, he got an admission in renowned Harrow College. If you want to read this book and know much about this book, it's available in our student library. Thank you.
Thank you, Sitan. Now I call Karthik for GK questions.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Karthik Ravindranutikar. I ask you some general knowledge questions. First, which country is known as Red Dragon? China is the right answer. Who is the first woman ruler of India? Razia Sultan is the right answer. Which is the hottest continent in the world? Africa is the right answer. In which country diamond was discovered first? No. India is the right answer. In which year Vasco da Gama came to India?
1490.
20th May 1498 is the right answer. Which country is largest producer of wool? India is the right answer. What is the full form of WTO? World Trade Organization is the right answer. Which country has never won FIFA World Cup? The Netherlands is the right answer. Which civilization was ruled by pharaohs? Yes. Egyptian civilization is the right answer. Which batsman from Australia is called as Emperor of Cricketing World? No. Sir Donald Bradman is the right answer. What is the currency of Marshall? The correct answer is American dollar. Which country has the most